How to fix fast battery drain problem on iPhone. Let's get started. Check battery usage. For that, launch your settings. Now navigate to the option battery. Scrolling down, here you're going to find this section of battery usage. Analyze which apps are consuming the most power. You can limit the use of these apps. Next up, customize background activity. Head back. Apps running in the background could be a major drain. So, navigate to the option General. Head towards the option Background App Refresh. You can manually disable for these options, or what you can do is click on the option of Background App Refresh and set it to off. Next, optimize settings, adjust brightness and display settings. For that, head back, navigate to the option Display and Brightness. From here, you can adjust the brightness, set it to low as possible. Likewise, you can enable dark mode. Next, update your iOS and apps. For that, head back. Outdated software can cause battery drain due to inefficiencies. Navigate to the option General, Software Update. If any existing software updates are available, just update it to its latest version. Then launch your App Store. Click on the profile icon given at the top right. Now here you're going to find this section of apps. Click on the option of Update All. Next, enable low power mode. For that, close this. Launch your settings. Click on the option Battery. Enable for the option of low power mode. This will limit background activity. Next up, reset settings. For that, scroll down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset all settings, and go through the process. If this solution doesn't work for you, your battery needs to be replaced. Go to Apple Care Plus coverage and check if you're eligible for free or discounted replacement. So these are the solutions for a fixed fast battery drain problem on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.